Hi, I'm Kenneth Stulc, and these are my audience members, Jason Steinborn and Kelly Steinborn. I'd like to begin by showing you a picture of destruction. This is a photo of the I-35 bridge collapse in Minneapolis from 2007 that killed 13 people. Many people in this class may have driven over this bridge or taken other bridges like it. And as you can see, our infrastructure is failing. I've spent the last 7 years working construction inspection for the City of Fargo Engineering Department, and I have seen firsthand how our infrastructure is in need of repair. Our nation's infrastructure is failing us and is having many impacts on our country. Today I'm going to tell you the current status of our infrastructure, how our infrastructure affects us every day, and what can be done to fix it. The American Society of Civil Engineers, or better known as ASCE, issues a yearly report card for our infrastructure, and the 2013 report came back with a grade of D+. The ASCE came to this grade by rating 16 different categories, which ranged from aviation to roads, dams, energy, and drinking water. They then issued a letter grade for each category based on the physical condition and the needed investments for improvement. And as you can see, we are in need of major investments so that we can prevent accidents like this. So now that you know how our country's infrastructure is failing us, let's talk about how it affects our everyday life. Our country's infrastructure is very important to our nation. It is one reason that our country is the last remaining superpower. We have better roads, airports, seaways, and sewer systems than compared to other countries. Although our nation's highways are extremely congested, it costs our economy $101 billion each year because we are stuck in traffic. If we could improve our highways, we could save our country money and our citizens time. If you remember, in March of 2009, NDSU was closed for 2 weeks due to a record flood in Fargo. This caused a major disruption to NDSU school here, and if we had permanent flood protection already in place, we could have saved 2 weeks of school and the need for sandbagging every year. These are just some of the ways that having a poor infrastructure system affects our daily lives. To fix the problem, the government is attempting to increase funding to improve infrastructure. The ASCE estimates that we need to spend $3.6 trillion by the year 2020 to build a first-class infrastructure system, as we currently only spend $10 to $13 billion per year on just bridge construction. Finding the money to fix these problems is a major challenge. One idea has been to increase the gas tax, as most Americans have a car and use gas and use the roads. Many people oppose this, however, because as the price of gas is already very high. Easy solutions like increasing gas tax is difficult to implement. As I said before, our nation's infrastructure system is failing us and is in need of repair. Today I've told you about the current status of our nation's infrastructure, how it affects our daily lives, and what we need to do to fix it. So next time you're driving and you hit that pothole, I hope you'll remember that this is a major issue facing our country.